and welcome to Letscookolet. I'm so excited, the barbecue season is here now, and today we're gonna show you how to grill the perfect strip loin steak. So first let's fire it up, and we're gonna melt the butter here. The butter is pretty much melted. Now what do I need here? I need to brush the steak with the butter. Voila, and the steak I'm using is the strip loin steak, Angus Striploin steak. Now we're gonna do the other side as well, and you can tell. Look at this here. Look at the marble, all the fat in the middle. And this is give the steak tenderness and more flavor. So let's flip the other side, and more butter on the other side. Now the salt, and I'm using here the coarse salt. A little bit pepper. The other side as well. And ready to go on the barbecue. Very important at first, your barbecue on the high. We'll do the mark, and then we'll turn them 45 degrees. Some sliced onion. And I have some potato as well, about a half-inch thick. Now it's time to rotate the steak 45 degrees. Here we go. And a little bit salt and pepper on the potatoes and the onions. Voila. Now for the asparagus, I'm gonna dip it all in the butter here, and then I'll pick them and I'll put them on the grill at last minute because it doesn't take long to cook. Let's check the onion here. Lovely. The grill marks. Beautiful. That's what we need. Now it's time to flip the steak. Yummy. Now for the steak, for the rare and the medium rare, you see so many chefs or so many people, they poke the steak with their fingers. The reason why, it's they do a finger testing. So which is if you have your hand like this, your thumbs and the first finger, and touch here the pad under the thumb, and you see how soft it is. This is the rare. Change it to the second finger, and this is the medium. Change it to the third finger, and this is the medium well, and the last finger, it's a well done. Now the steak almost ready here, and I want it medium, so the potato almost ready as well. And now I'm gonna cook the asparagus. As I said, asparagus doesn't take long. Now moving the onion complete. Look at this, beautiful. And the potato almost done. The asparagus here as well. Lovely. Nice. Now to me the steak is ready to go. So I'm gonna turn off this side, and always the steak, very important to rest it about 10 minutes before you serve it. So let's check here what we have. The potato is ready as well. Lovely. Nice. Look at this. And the last one. Look at this. Grilled onion and potatoes and barbecue asparagus and a strip loin steak. It's unbelievable. Fire up your grill and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.